Hear the correct line after you speak. We'll begin. 1.
How long will they be staying in Vancouver?
They'll be staying in Vancouver until Friday.
2.
How much longer will you be working on my car?
I'll be working on your car for a few more hours.
3.
How late will your son be studying this evening?
He'll be studying until 8 o'clock.
4.
How much longer will you be practicing the trombone?
I'll be practicing the trombone for a few more minutes.
5.
When will we be arriving in Sydney?
We'll be arriving in Sydney at 7 a.m.
6.
How far will we be driving today?
We'll be driving until we reach Milwaukee.
7.
How much longer will you be chatting online with your friends?
I'll be chatting online with my friends for 10 more minutes.
8.
How soon will Santa Claus be coming?
He'll be coming in a few days.
Page 123. Page 124. Pronunciation. Contractions with will. Listen, then say it.
Yes, I will. I'll be cooking. Yes, he will. He'll be baking. Yes, it will. It'll be raining. Yes, we will. We'll be reading.
Say it, then listen.
Yes, I will. I'll be cleaning. Yes, she will. She'll be studying. Yes, you will. You'll be working. Yes, they will. They'll be sleeping.
End of Chapter 12. The program continues on the next CD.